I think it wouldn't hurt going over some additional explanation on exports. So in JavaScript, not just React, in JavaScript, exports allow us to share code between files. There are two main types, default and named exports. When a file exports a single main value, we use a default export, like we just saw with export default app. The exported value can be anything. It can be a function, an object, a constant, whatever you choose. In contrast, when a file exports multiple values, we use named exports. For example, export const add, which is a function, and export const subtract, which is another function in the same file. They are both named exports. Now, one thing to remember is that when importing, default exports don't need curly braces, but named exports do. Understanding this difference helps in keeping our code organized and modular.